What is the surface area of this rectangular prism? Remember that the surface area of a rectangular prism is simply the area of the 6 rectangles that cover it. We don't have to figure out all 6 areas because we know that the top and the bottom rectangles are the same, the right and the left rectangles are the same, and the front and the back rectangles are the same. So let's first label our picture so that we can set up the equation to solve for the surface area. We know that the height is here, the width is here, and the length is here. Now let's set up our equation. We know that the surface area is the sum of all 6 areas that cover the prism. That means that the surface area equals 2 times the length times the width, because this is the area of the bottom and the top rectangles, plus 2 times the width times the height, because this is the area of the right and the left rectangles, plus 2 times the length times the height, because this is the area of the front and the back rectangles. Now all we have to do is plug in the values of the width, length, and height. If we do this, we'll see that the surface area equals 2 times 27 yards times 9 yards plus 2 times 9 yards times 18 yards plus 2 times 27 yards times 18 yards. Now all we have to do is simplify the equation. Let's first multiply all the numbers together that are inside parentheses. If we do this, we'll see that the surface area equals 2 times 243 square yards plus 2 times 162 square yards plus 2 times 486 square yards. Now let's multiply everything by 2. If we do this, we'll see that the surface area now equals 486 square yards plus 324 square yards plus 972 square yards. Finally, if you add these 3 numbers together, you'll see that the surface area equals 1,782 square yards.